on this occasion, we pledge to give 50,000, and we want to encourage the procurement department to go ahead with procurement of the consumables immediately because we will underwrite the cost within a few days, today or tomorrow. So let this not be a hindrance to the operations.
I don't be a board a pie ye or research ya one casabi. A nipa, but whom come her did them. Me Casano, it humbles me. A mamma prema once. Say I don't be in a yin now, credit. Could it not be a no niska, a be a no near das will be. Oh, baby, I didn't me. Into the mammy dome. A back room, I'm a buy and so no. Me found one who I mean, Kwame. Menena nanu nyina nanya mesoma gogoman mesoma santeman me de hya gogoman he na Kwame Kwako sapon de monyam me de hya gogo hema na se wakusi obu aduma no monyam me de hye aduana family me frim ani monyam me de hye yen ayewura otufo osetutu ani monyam.
Mp'S TV.
our cherished visitors who are coming here to give us this hope, for commendation for your resilience and your commitment to humanity. We thank you very much for this effort. Number two, let us also commend the effort of our heroes of the past who have trailed this blaze and has brought us this far. It is important to also acknowledge the effort of Nana Mp'S, who has been in contact with me since he started this journey. And I've been with him all through, and I cherish his commitment to this society. We very much appreciate your effort, Nana, and more grace to your elbows. Now to the hospital administration. Much as I acknowledge the difficulties that you find yourself in this your endeavor, you have done your best so far, bring us this comfort up to this time. I remember 2 years ago when I had to bring uh, equipment to this hospital to renew the hopes of the doctors who work within this institution. I know that most of the equipments here are very obsolete, and for that reason, I decided to bring these items here. We did not get mentioned in the list of Agenda 111 for the government for the only reason that we have a hospital which is here, which is acknowledged as one of the best hospitals in the country, for which reason our municipality wasn't considered in the list. Nevertheless, I have a request to the president for the retooling of the hospital, which is receiving consideration. And I know that in due time, our hospital will be compensated for with equipments to uh, re-equip the hospital as a compensation for our loss in the Agenda 111 list. Uh, I personally want to pledge my commitment to this project, and I will endeavor to be present at all times and to share with them the vision and also support uh, materially as we pursue relief for humanity. I thank you very much for the occasion, and I thank you very much for the opportunity to participate in it, and I wholeheartedly support you through the period that we're going to be here, and I'll connect with you even as you go out, so that we will also explore more opportunities to find equipment to the hospital. On this note, they say Oliver Twist said Oliver will ask for more. So, I will plead with our visitors that even as you live here, do not forget that you were once part of this community and you will continue to be part of the community. We will continue to invite you to come here when you have the time to share with us. But one singular request I put before you is that we need equipment for this hospital. And therefore, every opportunity that we will have for us to mobilize equipment from outside the jurisdiction for this hospital in particular, I will be there to support you. It will not be a case of coming through the ports and going through difficulties in trying to deliver the products to Ghana and to the hospital. I will bear the responsibility of ensuring that these equipment, if they come to our ports, they are delivered safely to the hospital. So I'll partner with you in this endeavor of searching for the equipment for this hospital, and I'll take the lead in the charge of delivering to the hospital. I thank you very much for this occasion. It's come necessary for me to do so because of a request that came to me whilst I'm here. And I'm not sure that it's fair for us to emburden the institution with the consumables cost. So on this occasion, I'm presented with a budget of 50,000 Ghana Cedis, for which myself and the MC, we want to underwrite so that this business will go on without considering indebtedness post facto. So on this occasion, we pledge to give 50,000, and we want to encourage the procurement department to go ahead with procurement of the consumables immediately, because we will underwrite the cost within a few days, today or tomorrow. So let this not be a hindrance to the operations. Thank you very much. And God bless you all.
Emirate sɛ wɔn nso nyɛ wɔn fa ahodie. Nti na Restore Foundation, ɛne Brogya Foundation, ɛne Agogo Hospital, yɛakɔ abɔ mu a yɛredi dwuma yi. Ɛnyɛ me nkwa na manya. many Agogo man Nana Sewa Kusi Obu. Agogo traditional council any penny for a work room hanging. In Nanya, dear Fasita, Emma Otumfuo-Nana, Yakobo, and a massive. Metia wetie fo na asida koma Brogya+Mp'S Yakopon Agogo Nana kwame kokusapo Agogo ma Nana Sewa Kusi Obu adum Agogo mpanimfo Agogo traditional council the elders of the community Restore Foundation Brogya Foundation ne mmea me kama fo Sheila Brogya sapon a ogina machie madam nyina mo ahye Restore Foundation and mmea me foundation Brogya Foundation yeah Praxis surgery me amejaa me di Nana bedi akobo sapon many Agogo family kokusa don't ya hin Jumadi aye ba bedi ni se ye ba be surgery ama wo mo a omunni bie wo mo a omunni anidafso na doctor ye renowned Harvard trained plastic surgeon Dr. Michael Obin oni ni team Restore Foundation enemy foundation aka bomu a ye di jumadi ewi aba no bi beka se na aden ye omunya se na henie mpuntuo ni adwuma a wo de ba de aba abeboa the first eno ni amamre nso hu hia de adwumadi ye de ba yi enipa ni bi ahyehye ebi adidam ebi nni ani daso bia wo ba bia ye ba beto aba ina ye ni da abato so ina ye hwe amanfo na me bisa me ho se e de na me ya boa me ma eni nti na ma ye seti bi ya foundation me wonamfo a adidam e wo krom ha na mfura ha na me di wonamfo a adidam e wo kronko de ni amadamfo ne Dr. Michael ni di komo ebi se wo ye bi man kronko be so no se Nana I'll come with you to your town. I'll come to do free surgery for your people, not only for Ghanaians, but the people around the world. Yeah, me know Kasai, a bit free Gabon, a bit free Cote d'Ivoire, a bit free India, a bit free US, a bit free Congo, and I'll back Agogo Mayamuha. You see, our more theater, doctors in our lining up, woman young. Reconstructive surgery, the body is very expensive. I don't binti. And I saka Dr. Michael Obin any team It's just by the grace that we have Dr. Michael Obin and the Restore Foundation team in Agogo Asantehene. People all over the world are in Agogo Presbyterian Hospital here. People free. We are seeing for night and Abba or mobile Shiana just after more doctors. Abba Krum if Raman on Abba Eba Bay. I don't be a board ye or research ya one kasa abi hu enipa ba hu omu krom ha didem no me ankasa no it humbles me ama me brem ho ase sa adum bi nti na ye nyina akwa ni ko betwa to bia e bia na uniska e bia na oni ani daso bi e wo ba bia aginyame nti na ma me de omo e ba krom ha na me ba ye nso no me fa ho ho ame ho ame ho me ne nananum nyina na anya me soma gogoman me soma Asantehene the Agogo Nana kwame kokusapon de monyam the Agogo hema Nana Sewa Kusi Obu adum de monyam me the she aduana family me frim ani monyam me the she yan ye wura Otumfuo ose tutu ani monyam if say me soma Agogo me soma Asantehene me da
Mp'S TV